Hello everyone, this is my lab2 eco shopping list. My name is Lija, my metric number is 206710. Today I will be completing task 0. Let me explain what task requires me to do. Normally my code look for this. For a task, I need to remember, so the code will become for here. And this means I keep adding min table state of and remember. Then I need to demonstrate what happens when I tap or click buttons and explain why those problems occur. So let me show you my code. Here I have remember. Okay, you can see, and everything else remains unchanged. Now let me run this and see what happened. Okay, the app is wrong. Now I try to for a word like A. And the text field instantly becomes empty again. I click the clear and the update button, nothing changed because the list is already empty. This is exactly what task 0 expects me to show. The text field cannot accept normal input and no data can be served. Now let me explain why this happens. In JPEG Compose, there is a concatenate called recomposition. Whenever state changes, compose runs the compose function to update the UI. Normally, we might remember multiple state of objects and observable state object. Remember to compose. Keep this value across recompositions. Don't reset it, but in task 0 I remember every time a recomposition happens. For example, when a value change is triggered by tapping. The entering shopping list app function runs again. When it runs again, multiple state of for this and create a brand new state object with an empty string as the enter value. So whatever I typed before is completely lost in simple terms. Without remember, state resets to its into value on every recomposition. That's why the text field cannot hold any input and why the button cannot save items. Reflections on this task 0. Though this task actually understood the value of remember, it is not an optional feature but a necessary component of compose state management. When I was just story and I morally mechanically followed the template and word to remember multiple state of, but I didn't truly understand why it was written that way. After completing task 0, I correctly saved what would happen if I didn't remember, and I also understood how the organization machine thing works. Thank you. That's all.